Hello guys, let's talk today about how to install the Hik-Connect on a MacBook. As you can see, I have it running here on my iPhone and I'm going to install on my MacBook Pro. So it's pretty simple. You just need to come here to the apps in the App Store and look for Hik-Connect. Okay, as soon as you find it, that's the one, Hik-Connect for end user. You just click to install, and when installed, you just click open, right? And then you need to insert the information to connect to the camera. Here, agree with the terms, select USA as my country, and then enter the information for my account. Okay, so here I just need to log in. I already have an account. Then I'm going to use my email here, and then you just need to log in. I can use Touch ID if I want to. It's not the case here. I don't want to use it. And here we go. I have my camera ready from the system. Okay, double click here. Need to enter the password for the camera. And here we go. I have the image working here on my MacBook Pro. Okay, so it's pretty simple to install the Hik-Connect on a MacBook Pro. You just need to go to the App Store, install it, and log in with your account. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.